Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add picture on your Zoom application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to add a picture in your Zoom, firstly open your Zoom application. Click on the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your name and then on your profile photo. You can either take a photo or choose photo from your gallery. If you want to take a picture, click on Take Photo or else tap on Choose Photo. Allow Zoom to access your photos and media on your device by clicking on Allow button. Choose a photo from your gallery. Crop and adjust the picture if you want to and then click on tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. This is how you can add your picture in your Zoom application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.